Dr. Luma. This next item that you are going to witness, ladies and gentlemen, as I said before, we sing about the mountains, we sing about trees, we sing about birds, we sing about the fishes in the sea. But behind all that singing, behind all those dancing and things, we think about the opposite sex. We think about love, we think about friendship. And we even go to the extent of swimming from one island to another island, or taking a small canoe so that you can reach your loved ones. The next song and the next performance acknowledges just that. When a certain gentleman could not hold back his love, and he had to travel all the way by canoe to meet his lovely girlfriend. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Teachers Cultural Group once again. So here. another significant fact that we have from here, what you just saw, you can now see that the ladies are now holding the paddles, and the men are holding the flowers. Something that the girls, any Samoan girl, will never be allowed to do. But ever since we were given our Millennium Goals and the change of the world started to come into being, we heard the word gender balance. And even though it's very hard for us Pacific people to maintain our cultures so that we maintain the gender differences, we still have to go with everybody in the world. And that's where we're struggling at the moment. But in any case, we in the independent state of Samoa have survived very well. Proof of that is our next item. It's a sa-sa. It's only for males. But because of the gender balance, the girls can now do it. So our last item, ladies and gentlemen, will be our sa-sa. It's our promotion of our world rights and our world conventions. Until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, so far, so far.